Wike's ally, Senator Samuel Anyanwu, defeated again as Supreme Court stay of execution denied. Shebi you see that all your problems, you are failing, they are defeating you. Samuel Anyanwu, go to your house now. So which court do you want to go again after this one now? As Supreme Court has said there is no stay of execution now, what will you do? Go back home. Go back home. Just accept your defeat in peace and go back. They don't want you there again. Wike's camp defeated as Supreme Court denies Anyanwu stay of execution in another significant development from today's proceeding at the Supreme Court. That's very good. I'm happy. The justices of the court, after a highly contested argument by Samuel Anyanwu's lawyer, denied Senator Samuel Anyanwu's request for a stay of execution on the December 2024 appeal court ruling that removed him as the National Secretary of the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Yes, that's good. The Supreme Court, while denying Anyanwu's request for a stay of execution, agreed, among others, that the judgment of the appeal court, Enugu Division, on December 20, 2024, is a declaratory judgment that cannot be stayed. This decision means that Senator Samuel Anyanwu cannot temporarily suspend the execution of the judgment while his appeal is being heard at the Supreme Court. Instead, the Supreme Court has granted accelerated hearings and adjourned proceedings to March 10, 2025. No wahala. The appeal court's earlier ruling had upheld the appointment of Right Honourable Ode Okoye as the party's national secretary, and Anyanwu's legal team has sought a stay of execution to prevent Okoye from taking office. Bad belle people. Today's Supreme Court decision has also brought to the fore of lies being peddled by Senator Anyanwu and his cohort that his illegal continued occupation of the office of National Secretary of the PDP was in line with a temporary stay of execution call granted him by the Appeal Court Abuja Division. They grant you stay of execution in Abuja. Very funny. Anyanwu's removal from office has been a subject of controversy, with some party members supporting his continued leadership. They should continue to support rubbish. If he had won the governorship election, would he have come back to say he wants to come and take back his seat? I beg. Should go home. However, with today's Supreme Court denial of his stay of execution request, Right Honourable Ode Okoye remains in office, while Anyanwu's appeal is heard and decided upon by the Supreme Court. He should just forget about it. I don't understand people. They give up, sha. Nana Fanta says, pack and go home. I hate rubbish. Me if I hate rubbish. Go home. Go home. Echiku says, political terrorists who impoverish Nigeria with their rabbit-stealing penchant and morbid corrupt practices, living like laws before our very eyes, while Nigerians continue to suffer, will never go unpunished by God. Yes, so they will never go unpunished though. Ugochukwu Francis says, I don't really know what's wrong with Wike's camp and people like Samuel Anyanwu. Are working for party or against PDP. They are working against PDP. No, they don't like PDP. They are working for Wike and APC. That's what they are doing. Kizito Azubike says, the man is shameless, very shameless, hopelessly being led astray by a man so hungry and desperate for power. I don't understand them. I do not really understand their problem. It is well with them. Prince Uche says, good news for PDP. Yes, so Nnaemeka should go to APC with Wike. Abi? I don't understand. Yusuf says, Anyanyamiri's Igbos are fighting to be secretary of a party in a country they did not recognize, a country they call Zoo, a country they are fighting hard to separate, a country they claim does not care about them. Anyanyamiri's Igbos not confused. Peter Obi wants to be elected president of Nigeria, while his fellow Nyamiri MNK wants, by all means, to divide the country. His fellow Nyamiri wants govern. Who is sabotaging who? Kano or Pio? Definitely one of them is not happy with the other. Okay. Alex Mba says, Anyanwu is a man driven by his greed. A man who voluntarily resigned. You resigned. And because you want to go and contest for governorship election, you now came back because you lost. That, you want to take back your seats. For where did they do that thing? And somebody, Wike will be giving them liver, like they are doing something bad. You are giving them liver to go ahead with it. It's rubbish. It's simply the 26 lawmakers did, I mean at 27. You clearly defected your seat. It means that your seat, you've automatically lost it. But you are giving them morale. Don't worry, go and fight it. Go to court. I own the people in the court, so you are going to win. The case is total rubbish. He voluntarily resigned his position to become governor. Then, when he failed, he suddenly realized that he needs to reclaim his already relinquished position instead of being a party man. Exactly. I don't understand them. Bernard Addo says, shame to Wike. That is how he will continue to lose all his cases in court. Yes, so amen. He will lose everything. Kehinde Adeshegun says, the truth is sacred. All the efforts of Tinubu through Wike and other moves to destroy PDP and other opposition parties will fail, yes, so by the grace of God. It's a matter of time. It's really a matter of time. Stanley H. says, if a first stand up from kneeling down, it is that same down it will go back to. And so shall it be for all Wike K supporters, yes, so as they are planning to destroy people's joy, so also their joy will be going down. Amen. Amen. Obi Nawagu says, good for him. Good for him, oh. He really serves him right, because I don't know what he's looking for. Alfred Ebegi says, no evil can stand for long. Wike's bid to frustrate the PDP will not succeed. Obviously, it is never going to succeed. Never. It is not going to succeed. General Donorodin says, Rivers people, that is your state, sit and talk things out, no matter what it may take you, because whoever wins between Wike or Fubara is never a winner, but a future problem. Now so. Julius Akini says, the loss of Anyanwu's request for a stay of execution is a temporary loss that doesn't require the fanfare of celebration. I beg, it calls for celebration. Julius, it calls for celebration. And everything that he does is going to continue to lose. He will lose everything. Adeyemileko says, selfish monopoly in the sense, greedily, deceitful, deviously, pretense, now infertility. Okay. Ojo Nelson says, the last hope for the common men must be independent body. Kudos. Kudos to them. Chris Ozoabo says, Wike and his so-called allies will continue to suffer humiliating defeats in all these unnecessary wars against humanity. Yes, so they will continue to be humiliated if they don't know that, okay, let's just stop fighting. There is no point, because all the time you've always lost. Can't you just leave it? Just a here says, Desperado, see how she dey cry for political position. You won't kill yourself. Oju Kokoro. Don't mind him. Onobodo Okechukwu says, stop bringing Wike into every political matter in PDP. Why won't they bring him? He is part of it. It's very wrong to mention him in all court-related matter. Why won't they mention him? They'll mention him now. Because he's the one giving these people morale. He's the one giving them the go-ahead. Don't worry. Go and do whatever. I own the court. I own the judicial. Don't worry. They are going to rule in your favor. So they'll mention his name. Olga Friday says, Anyanwu, meh. Very funny. Chris Ozabu says, the man is a greedy man. Very greedy. Very, very, very greedy man. You went to contest for governorship election. You did not win. You're not coming back when you already resigned. And who does that? My listeners, over to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.